What's up, guys? This is Samuel once again from Sony Tech. Okay, so I'm back with another interesting video, which is creating a back to top button using HTML, CSS, and almost no JavaScript. That sounds interesting, right? Okay, so let's jump in. Okay, so pull out your favorite text editor. In my case, which is Visual Studio Code, and in my Visual Studio Code, I've opened up my template file. That is my starter template, and I have offline versions of Bootstrap and Font Awesome. Okay, so I use Bootstrap classes to write this just to style the back to top text. Okay, so let's go live and see what we have. Okay, so back to top. Okay, so let me give it some padding. So let's do padding top py, let's say 3, and let's see what we have. Okay, so nice. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to start, okay, so I'll do a button with an ID of btn scroll. Okay, so I'm going to do I give it a class of FE and arrow up, I guess. Okay, arrow up. Okay, so let's preview this and see what we have. Okay, so this is the icon. Okay, so nice. Okay, so now let's move to the text. Okay, so I'm going to open a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, I'm going to give it a class of a modifier class of section and the bootstrap class of, let's do padding top or padding 2. Yes. Okay, so let's do some dummy text. I'm going to do lorem say 75. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, so it looks nice. Okay, so let's do some border. So we do border. Let's see. Okay, so it works. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this 5 times. But if I duplicate, let me introduce a break. So BR. Okay, so nice. So now I can duplicate this. So copy, paste. Okay, so we're done with the markup. Okay, so let's add some style to the button. I don't think I'll need this in my styles.css. I don't think I'll need this too. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so now let's target our ID. So hashtag btn scroll. Yeah. Okay, so now let's do position. Okay, not position absolute. Position fixed. Yes. Position fixed. And button, let's do 10px. So 10px on the button, and let's set it to the right. So right to 10px, and give it a height of 50px and a width of 50px, and we'll set the border radius to 50% so it becomes circular. Okay, so what else can we do? So border radius, we'll set that to 50%. Nice. Okay, so we can do a z index so that it comes out. Yeah, z index, we set that to 1, and background. I'm going to use my Twitter. Okay, so yeah, Twitter. So that's my color. You can play around with the colors as well. So set the color to white or hashtag FFF, F, wherever. So and the border. So border. No. So border we do 1px solid, and my color variable Twitter. What's my browser shooting an error? I'll fix it. Okay, let's see. Let me get rid of this and try this one more time. So let me do white. Okay, this should work. And border, I'll do 1px solid and my color variable, which is Twitter. Oh, okay, I think I can just grab this and paste. So grab, copy, and paste. Okay, so now let's see what we have. Okay, so it's looking nice. Okay, so back to Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you can give it some box shadow. What's happening? So box shadow, can do 0 0 0 oh no, 10 pixels. Okay, so 10 pixels, so we can do RGBA and do 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.25. nice. Okay, so we set the outline to none. Outline, we set that to none, and we can set the cursor to pointer. Okay, so let's check our output. Okay, so when I hover, pointer. Okay, so now we're also done with our styling, so I think we can now add our logic. Okay, so I've linked up my template.js file. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add a logic to the button in 2 ways. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to add a logic, I'm going to target the button scroll. So I'm going to do VQS. Okay, I'm going to change this to, let's say, btn scroll. So document.query selector, and I'm targeting the btn scroll. Okay, so we want to listen for a click event. So btn scroll dot add event listener, and you are listening for a click event, and we want to trigger a function. I'm going to use arrow function. I'm going to use ES5 function. So to trigger a function, calling a function, and we want to basically do, so I'm going to grab some piece of code and paste it here, and I'll show you a more simple way to do this. So okay, so I'm going to paste this code here, and let me end this. Okay, so now let's preview and I'll explain the source code to you. Okay, so when I press the button, it takes me to the top. That's nice. Okay, so this code is saying that window.scroll to, we are saying to scroll to the top, that is 0, and the left 0, and you can set the scroll behavior to smooth. Okay, but this code is a bit long, and as a developer you should always try to write short, simple, and sensible code, should I see. Okay, so I'm going to comment this out, and we can also do same by simply doing window, what's happening to my typing skill, so window dot scroll to, see, IntelliSense gives me options. So scroll to, I'm going to bring out this, so okay, so windows dot scroll to, you can do 00, so comma 00 comma. Okay, so I think this should also work. Let me end this with a semicolon. So let's try this one more time, and nice, it does the same thing. So I think you should go with this one. So this is just the same as the top 0, left 0. So you can set the scroll behavior. So you go to your template.css and let's target the HTML. You can do scroll, so scroll behavior, you can set that to smooth. So smooth, so it works the same. Okay, so we'll be done with this tutorial. So guys, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.